This is that moment. Another milestone in your life. They call your name, and you walk up the stairs, across the stage, and receive your official diploma. Now, this is not just any diploma. Because of all your hard work and sacrifice, you've to graduate from average. You chose to leave all of those who were comfortable living a normal life, being simple, being average. Greatness awaits. You knew that. You understood that. And you chose to put in the work. You chose to put in the sweat equity. You chose to grind. You chose to give every ounce of your soul, every ounce of your heart, because you know you were born for greatness. And you made a decision to no longer be okay. Having an average mindset. You know greatness is all the little small things done very well each and every day. So you went for self, because those you were hanging with, they were comfortable doing less, and you were determined to do more. You were allergic to average. No vaccine needed. All expectations you exceeded, because they counted you out. They thought you could never be great. They thought you could never be phenomenal. But you rose up and decided to prove them wrong. And that's why it's official today. You have graduated from average, and you're well on your way to being great. And the day will come when you get your master's in greatness, and then you'll push yourself to get your PhD in phenomenal. The next level awaits. But it all starts with you. And I salute you for betting on yourself. And not worrying about what your friends think, and not worrying about what your homies think, and not worrying about what your cronies think. You gave yourself permission to go be great, and overcame all your fears, and overcame all your doubts, and put in all the time, put in all the effort, put in all the sweat equity, put in all the blood, put in all the tears. And that's exactly why you have officially graduated from being average. This is a great day to win. What up, my Wednesday fam? It's your boy Freddy Fri, and I'm super excited because my Make Every Day a Wednesday book has officially been released. If you're trying to win every day of your life, this is the book for you. I need your support. I need you to click the link in the description or go to freddyfri.com/book page to get your autographed copy. I thank you in advance.